Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. First of all, I wish to congratulate the Fijian draw for the win on the weekend, and also to congratulate the Lautoka Maroons for successfully defending the Fairbrother Sullivan Trophy. Honourable Speaker, I raise in response to the question raised by the Honourable Member. Before I do that, sir, please allow me to make the following remarks. One, regarding a similar comment you have made, sir, in the last sitting, I did receive a letter from the Office of the Prime Minister seeking clarification on the issue. A report from Rugby House was received and forwarded to the Prime Minister's office, which confirmed that the allegation was false. And we have discussed this, the same, during our Parliament workshop in Natandala. Second, let me categorically state in this August House that your coalition government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, is committed to the development of sports in Fiji. The Honourable Prime Minister shared the values of our Vale partnership and sports diplomacy in his ministerial statement this morning. Sports has provided pathways for our youth to live their dreams. Sports have been the catalyst of change for our youth to move away from criminal activities. Sports is the cornerstone of a healthy and vibrant nation. Sir, players' welfare and safety has always been the core of our development. In response to the oral questions, sir, your coalition government with the Ministry of Youth and Sports and Fiji Rugby is deeply concerned about the recent reports regarding the accommodation situation faced by our Fiji Airways Fijiana Sevens team at Sydney Airport last year in December, as they transited through to Dubai. The welfare and comfort of our athletes are of utmost importance to us, and we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience or discomfort caused to the team. Honourable Speaker, in response to this incident, we want to assure our stakeholders, fans, and most importantly, our players, that we are implementing immediate measures to prevent such occurrences in the future. Firstly, we would like to highlight that a new team manager has been on board since January 2024, following a transparent and merit-based recruitment process. This change aims to enhance the overall management and logistical support provided to our teams. Furthermore, we have established a central database for series and team documentation, which is meticulously maintained by the team manager. This ensures that all necessary information and plans are easily accessible and organized, contributing to smoother operations during travel. Honourable Speaker, regular management meetings are now held with both the men's and women's team managers prior to any trip, enabling thorough discussion of travel plans and ensuring that appropriate arrangements are in place, particularly during long transit periods. This collaborative approach fosters efficiency and coordination between team managers, ultimately benefiting the entire program. Additionally, schedules are shared and coordinated between both teams, with the Sevens program manager overseeing travel schedules and activities to avoid any overlaps on conflicts. After each series leg, comprehensive reports are prepared by the coach and manager, highlighting any areas that require attention or improvement. Honourable Speaker, Fiji Rugby remains committed to providing the highest level of support and care for our athletes, and we will continue to review and enhance processes to uphold these standards. We appreciate the understanding and patience of our supporters as we look towards ensuring the well-being and success of our teams. Thank you, sir.